Scrap wood is one of the most underestimated materials in any workshop. Small offcuts, leftover boards, pieces too short for furniture, slightly imperfect sections that most people toss into a corner. But what if those scraps could become something that looks high-end? Something that feels custom, thoughtful, even designer level? In this video, we're exploring 40 scrapwood projects that look expensive and can be made using only basic hand tools. No table saw required, no expensive machines, just creativity, patience, and attention to detail. Because expensive-looking projects don't come from complex tools. They come from clean lines, smart proportions, and thoughtful finishing. Let's begin. Scrapwood can easily become minimalist floating shelves. Even small pieces can be laminated together, sanded smooth, and finished with a natural oil to create modern wall accents. Clean edges and consistent thickness make them look store-bought. Small hardwood offcuts can be transformed into elegant picture frames. A simple miter box, a handsaw, and careful sanding can create tight corners. Add a smooth finish, and suddenly scrap becomes gallery-ready. Thin strips of contrasting wood can become geometric wall art. Arrange them in repeating patterns, glue carefully, sand flush, and apply a matte finish. The simplicity gives it that high-end aesthetic. Short blocks can become candle holders. Drill carefully by hand, soften the edges slightly, and finish with natural wax. Clean, minimal, expensive looking. Scrap boards can become serving trays. Add simple handles, sand smooth, apply food-safe oil. Keep proportions balanced and edges consistent. That's what makes it look premium. Small cubes can become modern desk organizers. Pencil holders, phone stands, or business card holders made from scrap hardwood feel custom and intentional. Have you noticed how many expensive decor pieces are actually simple shapes made beautifully? That's the secret. Simplicity executed well always looks expensive. Scrapwood can also become layered wall panels. Glue thin strips side by side. Sand carefully, finish naturally. Texture adds visual depth without complexity. Even small triangular offcuts can become bookends. Clean lines, smooth finish, and subtle bevels elevate the look immediately. If you focus on symmetry, balance, and smooth finishing, almost any scrap can look high-end. Coasters are another perfect example. Cut squares or circles by hand. Sand progressively to a fine grit. Finish with oil and wax. When edges are crisp and surfaces smooth, they feel boutique quality. Small boxes are powerful projects. A simple hand-cut box with a tight-fitting lid feels luxurious when proportions are right. No complex joinery required, just accuracy and patience. Wall-mounted key holders from scrap, which can look designer-made when hooks are aligned evenly and edges are softened uniformly. Floating plant stands made from small boards can look modern and elegant with clean sanding and subtle chamfers. What separates scrap project from designer piece is finishing discipline. Uneven sanding makes projects look homemade. Sharp splinters ruin the feel. Visible glue lines cheapen the result. Attention transforms scrap into statement. Even small wall hooks cut from hardwood look refined when shaped smoothly and finished consistently. Decorative wooden clocks made from scrap rounds can look premium with a simple clock mechanism added. Keep the surface natural and let the grain speak. Stacked scrapwood blocks can become sculptural decor pieces. Vary heights slightly, align carefully, and finish in neutral tones. Have you ever seen high-end decor that is actually very simple, but beautifully finished? That's the goal. Scrapwood mirror frames can look upscale with clean corners and a balanced border thickness. Even basic wooden stools made from scrap pieces can look boutique quality if the design is minimal and surfaces are flawless. Small wall shelves made from short planks can look modern when brackets are hidden or minimal. Scrap wood can become layered serving boards. Alternating wood tones give a premium feel without complex tools. Simple wall-mounted coat racks with evenly spaced pegs instantly elevate entryways. Jewelry holders made from scrap boards and small dowels look clean and elegant when spacing is symmetrical. Small side tables built from laminated scrap panels can look expensive if the legs are proportioned properly and the finish is smooth. Have you noticed how expensive furniture often uses very simple geometry? Straight lines, balanced spacing, smooth surfaces. That's achievable with hand tools. Scrap wood lamp bases can look high-end when shaped cleanly and paired with simple fabric shades. Wall art made from staggered wood blocks creates texture and depth. Phone stands carved carefully from hardwood scraps can feel premium when sanded silky smooth. Desk trays for organizing papers look custom when edges are straight and corners tight. Small wall-mounted floating cubes for decor storage can look modern and clean with precise cutting. Even scrap wood can become modern candle lantern frames with thin strips assembled carefully. Wine racks built from leftover planks can look boutique when proportions are balanced. Minimalist headboard panels made from scrap boards create visual texture on a budget. Tiny plant risers from hardwood scraps look expensive when surfaces are smooth and corners crisp. The pattern repeats. Simple shape, clean execution, consistent finish. That's it. You don't need power tools to create expensive-looking decor. You need control, you need patience, and you need restraint. If you're enjoying these ideas, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on budget-friendly projects that look far more expensive than they cost to build. Back to the projects. Scrap wood drawer dividers can transform a messy drawer into an organized, premium-feeling space. Layered wall plaques with subtle engraving or wood burning can look custom-made. Even small wooden handles for cabinets can be crafted from hardwood scraps and look designer quality. Scrap wood trivets arranged in geometric patterns look modern and functional. Small storage crates assembled neatly can look farmhouse style, yet upscale with proper finishing. Wooden tablet stands cut cleanly from scrap pieces look minimalist and sleek. Even simple wall accent strips arranged vertically create high-end architectural detail. The key is not complexity, it is discipline. Measure carefully, cut slowly, sand thoroughly, finish evenly. That formula turns scrap into sophistication. Luxury decor often hides its simplicity behind quality finishing, and that is completely achievable with hand tools. When you focus on smooth surfaces, consistent edges, balanced proportions, and natural finishes, scrap wood becomes opportunity, not waste. So before you throw away that offcut, look at it differently. Could it become a small shelf, a decorative block, a frame, a tray? The only difference between scrap and statement is attention. And attention costs nothing.